Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Crochet Fashion area. I hope you all guys will be fine and safe. Where we dive into the mesmerizing world of crochet creativity. Today I'm thrilled to share with you some breathtaking crochet design that will inspire your next project. But before we unravel this young field adventure, let's jump right into the colorful and cozy world of crochet design. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey with us? Let's begin the journey in today's video. We are going to explore our best crochet collection for women. We have different types of crochet design. If you want to see different crochet design, you must visit our channel. In this video we show you the some crochet cream color crochet dress designs collection. We have some unique collection of crochet cream color dress designs collection. These all collection are very useful. These collection will definitely helps you to improve your personality. These crochet cream color dress designs collection are looking stunning. These all crochet design are very beautiful. We always have some stylish and luxury collection of crochet cream dress designs collection. These are all handmade designs. You can see the beauty of these crochet cream color dress designs collection. New ideas crochet designs collection. Beautiful and different color combination. Crochet cream color dress designs collection. Beautiful color crochet dress designs. I hope you will enjoy the video. Do not forget to subscribe the bell icon and also join our growing family. Our every video is a new adventure for you. Thanks for watching my video. Bye guys.